How to repost videos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can repost videos on TikTok. Now reposting video on TikTok is quite simple. If you open up TikTok here on FYP or on your following list, you'll be able to see videos there. Now to be able to repost, all you have to do is tap on the share option that you see alongside the video at the right hand side of your screen. Tap on share option there and you'll find the option repost there. As you can see at the left hand side, you can see the repost. Simply tap on repost and it'll be reposted. Similarly, if you head into any other videos and then there tap on the repost option there, simply tap on share option and then tap on there, you can see the repost option. If you tap on reposted, your video will be reposted there. Now to see reposted videos, what you can do is tap on the profile option there at the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then there you can see the repost option at the profile. Simply tap on repost and you'll be able to see every reposted videos. So this way you can see the repost videos on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.